Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Today we're going to show you a beautiful 1987 Buick Grand National. This is an original paint car, tasteful modifications. If you want to find out more information on this ride, click on the link below. Also, if you want to see us take this thing out for a rip, 550 wheel horsepower, please click on the link below that says subscribe and ring the bell. Let's do it. Overall condition, since it's original paint, I'd rate this a 7.5 out of 10. We did a mil reading with a paint meter, and it's between 3.04 to 5.07, and that is proper for an original paint car. There's no checking. All the emblems are extremely nice. You do have a black grille, which is for an 87. 86 had the chrome grille. Body sides are extremely clean, so there's no dents or dimples. You still have your factory rock guard. Your wheels are in excellent shape and the tires are in great shape as well, and they're newer. Your badges are in the proper place, because I know all you GN guys are like, oh, the badges are in the wrong place, but this is right. You do have some aftermarket pieces here, so Grand National door sill, it's like a stick-on billet. All the windows work as they should. Interior is perfect. That's an original interior, so the seats have not been replaced. If they were replaced, it'd be a darker gray, and the holes would be a little bit bigger. Power seats, and we'll show you all the options when we open up that trunk. Steering wheel's in great shape. It does have a set of aftermarket gauges for water temperature and I believe oil pressure in the bottom. Dash is extremely nice. Looks like someone replaced that dash pad. When you look up here, there's no stress fractures. So what would happen is this is a G body, so it'll flex if you beat them up or if you drive them aggressively. There's no cracks here. The roof line is extremely nice, and I apologize for the dust. Doors show very well. All the stickers are proper. There's no rot right here. This is what I like to look at for a Grand National. When you close the door, I hate doing it with the windows open, but it's nice and solid. Rear quarters are in great shape. I do see a little bit of a touch-up right here. And then someone's gonna point out that the bumper fillers they're chalky. That's because these are the original fillers, and they're almost 36 years old, or 35 years old now. We are going to offer you spoolfuls if you'd like us to put them on, but these are the original bumper fillers in the rear. The fronts have been replaced at some point. Trunk lid is extremely nice. I do see one or two imperfections right here. It's like a spider effect. But otherwise, this thing is really clean. Let's take a look in the trunk before we continue with our walk around. All your rubbers are original. You do have a set of manifolds, factory manifolds as well that I'll include. And the bottom section is removed because they have a different panel in there, and I'll show you that when we go over there. You do have a math converter under the hood, and I will show you that as well. A couple of additional components. I don't like to take these, so if you need gaskets, here you go. Whole bunch of stuff. Here's the SPID. So this is going to break down all the options for your Grand National. You have your WE2 option, which stands for Grand National, and you have posi traction, G80. Does not have concert sound. Trunk closes easily, and it does have a spare tire with the jack. Passenger side is extremely clean. You do have an aftermarket exhaust on it. I think it's an ATS system. All the chrome in the wheels looks great. Minor pitting, just small amounts right here on the wheels. Little rock chip right here. And then everything else you're seeing is just dust. Passenger side is extremely clean, same as the driver's side. And if you look at those seats, they are near perfect. One thing I always like to look at for any sort of G-body is the seat rail. So this will tell you if it was in a moist environment. You're gonna see that this is extremely clean with minor surface rust. All the bolts that hold it in the back are very clean, and your seats just feel really good. The rubbers are very nice right here, and they haven't been modified, so some guys will use RTV to make it look like it's still good, but these are nice and supple. You can see the rock guard down here with your Fisher panel, and the rear seats look like they've never been sat in. I'm gonna pop the hood for you guys, and then we'll start it up and take it for a test drive. Opening up the hood right now. Engine bay is extremely tidy, does have MSD wires. Power Master has been rebuilt. It does have a MAF conversion, so that's what you saw in there was the original style MAF. And here's the conversion with the translator. Turbo looks like it's been serviced at some point. Stock style downpipe, stock intercooler, and it does have aftermarket couplers for your intercooler piping and hot side. Looks like the intake manifold was taken off at some point and painted, and you do have factory style injectors. It's a nice clean ride. Hood pad is very nice as well, and those are very hard to find. And all the metal throughout here just shows how it should. It's not chipping, it's not spray painted black. A small imperfection right here, but that doesn't bother me one bit. AC's cold in it. Let me start it for you. So it starts up easily every time. So I'm using all the seat controls right now. Up and down are working, back and forth, and your support for your angle. Power windows work as they should, and they are tinted. Headliner is extremely nice as well. Looks to be redone and is done properly. Passenger side windows going up right now. Let me go back there so you can hear it. Oh yeah. Will's the cameraman. He just did a video for a Mini Cooper. You guys need to check that out on our channel.
Little guy.
Big guy.
Big guy in a little car.
All right, let's do this. We're inside the cabin right now. Steering wheel is extremely nice. A little bit of wear on the top, but it's not bad. Horn works. Your ring has been replaced, so this is not a factory ring, but it looks good. Gauges all work as they should. 71,000 miles. Your RPM LED strip is working as it should. Gas gauge is working. All of your lights do operate, and you can see that it dims out the radio. Radio is a non-power antenna. You can see the lights dim on the radio when you turn the lights on, which is proper. Turn the power on, radio works as it should. Volume works. Air condition works. Nice and cold. Okay, center console is real nice. You do have all of your features here, so you can gate shift it if you want to. Ashtray is clean. It is missing the ashtray, which I believe is in the back. When I talked about the gauges earlier, it's water, temperature, and boost pressure. Dash is extremely nice. Your chrome strip is nice. And you can see that the headliner is very clean. Lights operate as they should. Let's put it in gear and we'll take it for a test drive. We're gonna take it for a spin. We'll bring it out to our closed course so we can get some outside shots for you, let you decide this is the right ride for you. This one is extremely tight. Steering's nice and tight. We're going over bumps right now. There's no rattling, and the windows are down, so normally you'd hear the rattling from the glass. So that means your plastic inserts for the glass are not cracked. And that's why they go up straight. They're not coming off of track. You can feel the turbo, so you can build boost. And it feels really good. Brakes are good as well. I do feel a little bit of pulsation, but nothing that's alarming, and they feel firm. These are the best cars because you've got all the comfort and then you can go fast. By the way, we have sold close to 79 Grand Nationals and we have 3 GNXs in stock. These are our favorite cars. Listen to this thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll turn right here, get some outside shots for you, let you decide this is the right ride. If you have any questions about this or any of our inventory, just click on the link below or you can give us a call at 954-363-2261. We'll be able to help you out with whatever you need. If you need more pictures, if you want to get a transport quote, we're here for you. We've got 100% positive feedback, over 1,700 classic cars sold sight unseen. So hopefully you can look us up and see that we're the real deal. We're gonna turn left here, we'll be able to test it out. What I'll do is I'll do rolling boost, which is when I'm gonna hold the brake pedal and give it gas so that the boost will raise, and then I can give it full throttle and we'll be within, at boost, so you'll get full power. So here we go, we're gonna build boost right now. good. It's definitely stock. It feels like it's running around 14 pounds, or it is running 14 pounds. Feels really good. No hesitation, no dropout, no slippage. It chirped into second how it's supposed to. Let's get another shot from the outside. Yeah, it felt good. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call. Please subscribe so we can give you more great turbo Buick car content, tanks, everything. We got a podcast coming.